me, but fair warning, I take more than I give normally. Make tea with honey, but I hope you see I'm in a bubble and not always loving. I am a bee, but I'll try not to sting. Oh, I am a bee, and I'm not always loving. God is good, and He is kind.
بخير. I feel so sleepy. مش عارفة start the day. I need coffee or tea so I can just wake up and yeah, this is week 2 التدريب, I'm feeling a bit positive. I like the environment. So yesterday I've attended a mock trial. It was organized by our team in the office, the legal team. It was so beautiful to watch. It is a fake trial, a preparation for maybe a real one. So all of them did an amazing job, and I remember I saw an episode in Suits, the series that talked about a mock trial that prepare. If anyone, you guys watched Suits, when Mike was going for a trial and everyone prepared the trial before so they could be ready and the real thing happens when the real things happen. So it was similar to that. If I had the clip, I will put it here. So yeah, it was really beautiful to watch. It was the first time that I attended a trial before and see what happens in the court. Usually I will be in the office most of the time, and the lawyers will go to the court and they're gonna prepare everything and document everything there. So I didn't get to see it, but I was so happy that I was invited to come, and I was able to see everything.
새벽이 찾아봐 밤내면 나만 더욱 깊어져 뭔가는 내 바람은 그리 크지 않아 단지 조용히 하루를 정리하고 싶을 뿐 미지근한 샤워와 네 기타 소리와 너의 따뜻한 불빛에 조용히 잠들고 싶을 뿐이야. 이 새벽이 지나면 난 다시 만날 수 있는 내일을 기다려야겠지. 이 순간이 짧아도 다른 나를 위해 나 달래줄 너가 고마울 뿐. 미지근한 샤워와 네 기타 소리와 너의 따뜻한 불빛에 조용히 잠들고 싶을 뿐이야.
Right.